Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily adjust margins in Google Docs using the simple method. So let's dive in. First of all, open the Google Chrome and search your Google Docs and simply open your document. First of all, sign into your account and simply open your document. Right now, I will open the blank document. Now to add a margin in Google Docs, first of all, you need to do is click on File. As you can see at the top left corner, there is the option called File. Then select Page Setup. As you can see, there is the option called Page Setup. As you can see, this interface will come. You will see margin fields for top, bottom, left and right. Type in your desired value, for example 1 inch, and click OK. As you can see, you can set up the margins 1, bottom, left and right, and you can also set the paper size, and you can also apply to whole document. You can also make the orientation as portrait form or landscape form and simply hit apply. After you have done apply, method 2 is use the ruler. If you want to adjust margin quickly, turn on the ruler from the view menu. From the view menu, you will see the option called show ruler. As you can see, the ruler is hidden. Now to show ruler, simply click on view and apply the show ruler. As you can see, the ruler will apply in the document. Remember, dragging only affects selected text. For full document, margin always use the page setup menu. And that's how to adjust margin in Google Docs. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe and let me know what tutorial you want next, and I will see you in the next one.